Hiya, kiddos. Thanks for coming and joining me today. I woke up this morning the same way I wake up every morning and say, what can I do to have fun? Well, today I said, I know what I can do. I can read a Paw Patrol. What do you think, huh? And since it's just right after Halloween when I'm reading this, I thought it'd be fun because it's called The Spooky Cabin. Ooh. Wonder what they're going to get into this time, kiddos. You want to see? Huh? What do you think they're going to get into? Jake is fixing up an old cabin. Rocky and Rubble are helping him. Of course they're his friends. And when you have friends, you help friends when you can. You know, moving and stuff. Yeah, your parents probably do that. It's lunchtime. Uh-oh. Rubble's food is gone, and we know how much Rubble likes food. And Jake's lunchbox floats into the cabin. Is a ghost moving it? Whoa! Look at Rubble's face. He's really concerned. Yeah, his lunchbox floats into the room. Jake calls Ryder for help. Ryder and Chase race to the cabin. Of course they do. They're the Paw Patrol, see? They go to help each other. Yeah, that's what they do. Boom! The porch falls down. Rocky finds some posts to fix the porch. Don't lose it, reuse it. That's Rocky's rules. Remember, Rocky's for the environment. Yeah. Don't just reuse it. The pups fix the porch. Everyone goes inside the cabin. It's kind of dark and it's real spooky. And bats are flying through the air. Oh, look at Rubble's face and Rocky. They're not enjoying that, are they? Bats. We all get a little, but bats really don't bother us. They're after the insects and stuff up in the air. Rubble falls into a secret door. Oh no, Rubble. Rubble is missing now, and Rocky thinks a ghost grabbed him. Ryder doesn't believe in ghosts. Oh, look see Rubble falling through? Is that really a secret door? What do you think, kiddos? I'm not sure. Outside, Chase's spy drone flies over the cabin. Chase sees that Rubble is still inside the cabin. But Rubble is not alone. Ooh, look, kiddos. See all the blips on his radar? Yeah, he's not alone. Who do you think's with him, kiddos? In the cabin, Ryder and Rocky and Jake look for Rubble. Lights go on and off, and the paintings on the wall start moving. Oh no, now it is getting scary, huh? Well, at least it looks like it's scary. Would you be scary, kiddos, if all of a sudden the lights are going on and off and the pictures are rolling around all on the walls? Ryder pushes a button and it opens the secret door. Rubble's free. And Rocky sees mice on the floor. And then Ryder, of course, solves the mystery. Have you figured out the mystery yet, kiddos? Huh? I'm not sure I have. See? See where they see them? Yeah, and all those mice. What's the mystery, kiddos? Oh, we should have known, kiddos. The cabin isn't haunted. The mice make the lights go on and off, and the mice make the paintings move. They also tickle Rubble's paws, huh? Okay. Yeah, they also tickle Rubble's paws. Well, you know what that means, don't you, kiddos? Yep, it means that the pups build a little cabin for the mice. That's how nice they are. Whenever you are in trouble, Ryder says, just squeak for help. Oh, look at the neat little house they made for him, kiddos. Isn't that neat? What do you think? Do you think it's pretty neat to have a little mouse house? Well, that just is one of our Paw Patrols. Thank you, kiddos, for coming back. And please come again. We got more Paw Patrol going up all the time. And we got a whole big playlist. So just tell your adults you want to watch us if you do. It's ProfessorProfit.com is easy. We're on YouTube. See you guys later. Remember, your smile doesn't mean anything until you use it.